Can you see yourself in the 2019 GMC Acadia? With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, cooled front seat, fog lamps, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.